Cengild Medical Berhad, or Cengild Medical, commenced operations in October 2017. We are a dedicated healthcare service provider and the only independent, full-fledged medical center in Malaysia, specializing in gastrointestinal, liver diseases and obesity. Cengild Medical provides tertiary care for a diverse range of gastrointestinal and liver diseases comparable to major hospitals in Malaysia. Our medical center is strategically located at Bursa, South Kuala Lumpur, and we have had more than 67,000 patient visits since inception. Our medical center provides diagnostic and therapeutic facilities with 28 beds, 2 fully equipped operating theatres, 3 endoscopy rooms, and various imaging facilities such as fibroscan, ultrasonography, CT scan, fluoroscopy, angiography equipment for endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography (ERCP) and other procedures. Cengild offers not only a comprehensive laboratory testing services, but also 24-hour outpatient accident and emergency services, health screening, physiotherapy, and histopathology services. Our aim is not only to provide the best treatment and care for our patients, but also to give the correct, ideal, and suitable treatment for those with gastrointestinal, liver disease, and obesity. Our team of consultants provide tertiary care, subspecialized advanced endoscopic services, gastrointestinal and general surgeries, gynecological and urological endoscopy services and surgeries supported by a cardiologist. Our consultants and medical officers are also supported by nursing staff and clinical support staff such as physiotherapists, pharmacists and dietitians who facilitate our clinical support services, which include pharmaceutical services, dietetics and nutrition, physiotherapy and radiology. Cengild Medical has a total of 28 consultants, of which 7 are consultants specializing in gastrointestinal, liver diseases and obesity. While our medical center primarily specializes in gastrointestinal, liver diseases and obesity, we also are able to provide complementary healthcare services such as urology, oncology, cardiology and gynecology. We believe that by attracting and retaining top talents in the healthcare services industry, we will be able to reach out to more patients and provide them with a better standard of medical services. We have partnered with various insurance companies and third-party administrators. With this, insurance-covered patients are able to receive treatment at our medical center via cashless facility in the form of guarantee letters from these insurance companies and third-party administrators. This enables us to provide treatment to a wider group of patients. We also work with a third-party administrator which serves the Indonesian market, offering patients from Indonesia to seek medical treatment in Malaysia. The IPO will provide us with the funding required for expansion of our existing medical center located in Bursa South, geographical expansion of our services by establishing 2 new medical centers in other major cities in Malaysia, and strengthening our medical team by recruiting consultants specializing in gastroenterology and hepatology and related specialties. Please refer to our prospectus for further details of our business, expansion plans, risks, and financial performance. We shall now invite our Executive Chairman, Dato Dr. Tan Hak Ju, to share his thoughts on the IPO.
A very good morning to everyone. It is my pleasure to be with you today for the launching of Cengild Medical Berhad's IPO prospectus ahead of our listing on the ACE market of Bursa, Malaysia, Securities Berhad. We started Cengild in October 2017 with the vision to build a center of excellence for gastrointestinal and liver diseases and obesity in Malaysia. We aim to provide dedicated medical care through skill expertise of our specialist consultants in a one-stop tertiary care center. Over the past 4.5 years, we have had approximately 67,000 patient visits at our medical center, performed more than 21,000 endoscopic procedures, and more than 3,500 surgeries. Subspecialty allows us to provide in-depth and more targeted diagnostic services and treatment, and to undertake complex procedures and surgeries related to gastroenterology and liver diseases and obesity. Being an independent specialist healthcare provider also enables our medical center to be cost-effective. The large volume of gastrointestinal and liver-related procedures performed at our medical center allows us to achieve better efficiencies and economies of scale. Our patients in turn enjoy better facilities and treatment, but at a reasonable price. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a momentous event for us, as we are one step closer to becoming a public listed company. With the launch of our prospectus, we have achieved a major corporate milestone, bringing our expansion plans closer to reality. From FYE 2018 to FYE 2021, our revenue grew from 11.68 million ringgit to 63.47 million ringgit, representing a CAGR of 75.81%. The growth is attributed to an increase in revenue in both our consultant services and medical management services. We expect demand for healthcare services will continue to increase, taking into consideration the growing and aging population, increasing affluence and health awareness in an advanced society. With the proceeds of up to 72.2 million ringgit raised from the IPO, we intend to accelerate our growth plans by increasing the space at our existing medical center at Nexus in Bursa South, Kuala Lumpur. We have plans to expand beyond Kuala Lumpur and intend to establish 2 new full-fledged medical centers specializing in gastrointestinal and liver diseases and obesity in other major cities in Malaysia, such as Johor Bahru and Penang. We will also be strengthening our medical team by recruiting consultants and surgeons specializing in gastroenterology and hepatology and related specialties. These consultants and surgeons will be based either at our existing medical center or at our 2 new full-fledged medical centers in selected major cities as part of the expansion plan. Over the years, our consultants have enabled us to provide the quality care to our patients while also ensuring the continued growth and success of our medical center. I'd like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to our team of consultants, nurses, and staff. A very special thank you to my partners through thick and thin, the pioneer and founders of the center, Emeritus Professor Datuk Dr. Goh Ken Lee, consultant gastroenterologist and hepatologist, Dr. Abda Qureshi, consultant colorectal and general surgeon, Dr. Ramesh Gurunathan, consultant upper GI surgeon and bariatric surgeon, Dr. Jacinth Ong Siu Kuen, consultant gastroenterologist and hepatologist, and Dr. Mustafa Muhammad Tahir, consultant upper GI surgeon and bariatric surgeon. We are also thankful to the authorities, being Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad and the Securities Commission, for their diligent evaluation and approvals, as well as to all the professional advisors who have committed their effort and time towards our IPO, particularly Jim Ling and her team at Hong Leong Investment Bank Berhad. This is a significant step forward for us, and we will continue to provide the best treatment and care for our patients. Thank you.
Yang berbahagia, Dr. Tan Hak Ju, Executive Chairman of Cengild Medical Berhad, members of the Board of Directors, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all. On behalf of Hong Leong Investment Bank, I'm proud to be with you on this momentous occasion as we celebrate the prospective launch of Cengild Medical Berhad en route to its listing on the ACE market of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad. It gives us great pleasure to have played a part in assisting Cengild throughout this listing exercise. as your principal advisor, sponsor, sole underwriter, and sole book runner. Today marks the opening of Cengild's IPO, comprising the total offering of 218.8 million shares at the retail price of Ringgit 33 cents per share, raising total proceeds of up to 72.2 million to fund the next phase of its growth. The closing date for the retail and institutional offering will be on 5th April 2022, and Cengild is slated to list on the ACE market on 18 April 2022. Upon listing, and based on the retail price of Ringgit 33 cents per share, the market capitalization of Cengild will be 270.2 million. Ladies and gentlemen, Cengild's unique value proposition lies in its position as an independent, full-fledged medical center in Malaysia, specializing in gastrointestinal and liver diseases and obesity. To achieve this listing milestone in less than 5 years since inception already speaks volumes about their potential. The general increase in these non-communicable diseases over the years has undoubtedly heightened the need for healthcare services. With the proceeds raised, Cengild will be able to expand its operations not only in the Klang Valley, but also to other major cities in Malaysia, such as Johor, Penang, or Ipoh. On behalf of Hong Leong Investment Bank, I would like to express our gratitude and appreciation to Cengild for placing their faith and trust in giving us the opportunity to act as Cengild's principal advisor, sponsor, sole underwriter, and sole book runner for this listing exercise. I would also like to thank Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad and the Securities Commission Malaysia, who have guided us throughout this listing exercise. Finally, thank you to all the other advisors and professionals, Fong & Partners, Crown Malaysia, Trico Investors and Issuing House Services Cengild Berhad, Protege Associates Cengild Berhad, who have also put in hours of hard work to make the listing of Cengild possible. We are delighted to have joined Cengild throughout the journey and look forward to a long-term partnership with Dr. Tan and his team. My heartiest congratulations to the Board of Directors and the senior management team on its forthcoming listing, marking yet another significant milestone in Cengild's history. We sincerely wish you every success in your future endeavors, and we have no doubts that Dr. Tan and his team will continue to demonstrate strong leadership in guiding and steering Cengild's future growth and propel it into the next level. Thank you.